Herkese merhabalar, kanalıma hoş geldiniz. Bugün farklı bir konseptle karşınızdayım. Daha önce böyle bir video çekmemiştim. Peki ne yapacağız? Aslında bir oyun oynayacağız ya da challenge tarzında bir şey olacak diyebilirim. Ben toplamda 10 adet ürün seçtim bugün. Bu ürünlerden 5 tanesini kendim yaptım. Yani do it yourself projesi. 5 tanesi ise gidip mağazaya satın aldığım ürünler. Çoğu dekorasyon ürünleri bu arada bunların. Ve ben yabancılara bağlanacağım. Onlara bir ürün göstereceğim ve tahmin etmelerini isteyeceğim. Sence bu ürünü ben mi yaptım yoksa bu satın alınmış bir ürün mü? Onlar bunu yaparken hem eğleneceğiz hem de ben yaptığım ürünlerin ne kadar profesyonel ya da ne kadar amatör durduğunu fark edeceğim aslında. Ve bunu yaparken de Cambly kullanacağım. Çünkü İngilizce konuşan birine bağlanmanın en hızlı yollarından bir tanesi Cambly gerçekten. Cambly'yi daha önce sizlere anlatmıştım. Cambly ana dili İngilizce olan eğitmenlerle 7/24 İngilizce konuşabileceğiniz, pratik yapabileceğiniz bir uygulama. Kendi amacınıza göre, yani sınava hazırlanmak istiyor olabilirsiniz, sadece İngilizce konuşma becerilerinizi geliştirmek istiyor olabilirsiniz. Kendi amacınıza göre uygun eğitmenleri seçerek derslerinizi planlayabilirsiniz ve onlarla İngilizce pratik yapabilirsiniz. Ama asıl güzel haber şimdi sona sakladım, onu söyleyeceğim sizlere. Şimdi size vereceğim kodla 12 aylık aboneliklerde %50 indirim hakkınız var. Eğer İngilizce konuşmayla ilgileniyorsanız bence bunu kesinlikle kaçırmamalısınız. Okula dönüş, back to school dönemine özel bir indirim ve gerçekten çok büyük bir indirim. O zaman eğer hazırsanız ben ürünlerimi yavaş yavaş yanıma alayım, yabancılara bağlanayım. Ve onlarla konuşmaya başlayalım. Videonun bundan sonrası sanırım İngilizce olacak. Çok fazla da videolarda benim İngilizce konuştuğumu duymadınız sanırım bu zamana kadar. Onu da ilk kez yaşamış olacaksınız. Hadi bakalım, hazırsanız başlayalım. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. It's nice to meet you.
Nice
I'm
to
Gemma.
meet you. I'm Duygu.
I'm from the UK.
I'm from
Duygu?
Turkey. Duygu, yes. D-U-Y-G-U.
Okay. Well, nice to meet you. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. I'm shooting a video right now. I'm shooting a
really?
YouTube video. So first of all, I would like to ask you if you would like to join me in this video and take part in the video, a YouTube video.
What is it for?
Okay, let me explain. Yeah, okay, let me explain the content of the video then. I'm a DIY projects developer from Turkey, and I shoot DIY projects. And today I chose 10 items, and some of the items are made by me, and I just bought the others. And I'm gonna show you the items one by one, and I want you to, try to predict if it's made by me or if it's not made by me. That's it. Would you like to join me?
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Shall we start then?
Okay, yeah, brilliant.
Okay, by the way, is my camera working? Is it on? Can you see me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, great.
I can see you and hear you. Yeah, it's
Perfect.
perfect.
Okay, so let's start with the first item then. So it's a vase.
Okay. Wow.
What do you think? Did I make it myself or did I just buy it?
Ooh, it's very, very hard to say. Yeah, quite possibly. I'm going to say yes. I think you made it yourself.
Okay, the first answer is unfortunately wrong. Yeah, I bought it from Flying Tiger Copenhagen. Do you know? I don't know if you know this brand, but yeah, I really like it. But no, thank you by the way. Thank you for thinking I made it, but no, I didn't. Okay, let's continue with the second one then. So it's a basket.
Okay. Oh, can I see inside?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And underneath?
Okay, so this is the under part and this is the inside.
Okay.
And the edges are like this. Okay.
Okay, so I mean, just judging by your background, it looks like you have plants hanging up in whatever space you're in right now. So I'm going to say yes, I think that you made this.
Yeah, okay, I'm happy that you knew the correct answer. I made it. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you another one. Okay. It's a pillow. It's a throw pillow. Oops. My microphone just dropped. Okay.
Oh, okay. So it's a similar style to the vase that you showed me before. Okay. So I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say you didn't make this item.
Okay. Yeah, the wrong answer again. I made it.
No, you really?
Yeah, using a punch needle. I don't know if you know that needle, but
Really, really nice. Can I see the back of it?
yeah, sure.
How? Oh, okay. Oh, it looks like it would be really comfortable.
Ah, okay, thank you. Okay.
Sorry, I'm scared.
No, it's okay. It's just a game.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna show you another basket, I think. I love baskets. Yeah.
Ah, okay. So, yeah. So again, you also have these kind of like baubles on the side, which you had on the previous pillow. So it could be made by you. The basket looks slightly different. I'm really not sure. It could be, but it could also be. It could also be a no.
Okay. Is it too difficult?
It's quite difficult. I'm going to say you made it.
Okay, thank you again. Thank you so much, but I bought it. This time I bought it. Yeah, it's from H&M Home.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
but I got your point. I think it's quite normal to think that I made it because it's very madeable actually. You know, if I want, I can make it. But yeah, I bought it.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
If you turned it up the other way, you could wear it as a hat.
Yeah, like this.
Exactly.
Okay. So I will continue with a mirror.
Okay. Nice. It looks. Yeah. Let's see. Can I see the back of it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Oh. Okay. It's really, really difficult. How much do you love this mirror?
A lot.
How attached are you to this mirror?
A lot.
I think you made it.
Yeah, I did it. Yeah, you're right.
You
Yeah.
seem really.
I really like it. So you know,
It's beautiful though.
these kind of mirrors are very popular in these days. And actually, you can find them in stores. So I'm a DIY project developer. So I see them in the stores and I make them myself. Okay.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's really
Thank you
nice.
so much. So there's another pillow I want to show you, and here it is.
Oh, okay.
You can see the texture. If I make it closer.
That's interesting.
Okay.
How is this made? Do you know?
Sorry.
If you made it, what material?
So it's woven.
It's sorry.
It's woven. There's a frame, and you wave it like this.
Oh yes. I think I know the
Okay.
technique you
Okay.
mean.
So it's a woven one.
I think you bought this.
Okay. Correct answer. Yeah, I didn't make it. Yeah, I bought it. So, okay, good. So far, so good. I think I have left like 4 items, and I have another vase I would like to show you. This
Ooh,
one.
okay. That's
Okay,
really
you can see the
nice.
texture again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh. Let's see. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I think you made this.
Correct. So you're getting used to the game. Okay, yeah, I made it. It was a very, very ugly vase actually. I painted it with some baking soda. That's why it's textured with the baking soda.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. It's lovely. I
Okay,
really love
thank you.
this sort of like simple kind of design.
Thank
I love
you.
like the 2 like handles on the side.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Oh, you have another object here. It's a deer.
Yeah, I see a lot of these, especially around Christmas time.
Yeah, Christmas time you can see something like this.
Like knick-knacky shops. Okay. I'm gonna just say that you didn't make this.
Okay, I bought it. Yeah.
Yeah,
You're right, I bought it, yeah. And last two items, and the next one is again a mirror.
Oh, my cousin actually has this mirror.
Okay, yeah, the same mirror?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
Quite similar.
Okay, what do you think?
I really like it. I absolutely love this style of mirror. I don't know. I'm going to say that you made it.
Okay, you were doing so good. Yeah, I didn't make it. Yeah, unfortunately, I didn't make it. But again, I got your point. It's very, I can make it if I want, if I find the correct materials. Yeah, but I didn't make it. I bought it.
Yeah, fantastic.
Okay,
wow.
The last one is a plushie like this.
Oh, cute. I actually have a friend who makes sock plushies and all kinds of things. So I know they're super easy to make.
Mm-hmm.
I did try once, and it is fun. It looks really well made. Is it made with a sock? Or
Yeah.
do you know, I think, yeah.
Yeah, it's from a sock.
Oh, yeah. So how many of these do you have?
Just one.
Just the one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. I think that you bought it.
Okay, I thought that you were gonna say I made it, and because I made it. Yeah, actually, you got everything. Like, you asked the right question. It's made with a sock, but yeah, I made it. Okay, for my
It's
daughter.
Really well made.
Thank you.
It's really well made.
It's for my daughter.
Oh, really? How old is she?
She's 2.5.
2.5?
Yeah.
Oh, I bet she loves it.
Yeah, she adores it. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for your participation.
No worries.
It was a fun game. I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Bye. Bugün sizlere farklı bir konsept denediğimizi söylemiştim ve bence çok eğlenceli oldu gerçekten. Ben çok keyif aldım çekerken. Umarım sizler de izlerken keyif almışsınızdır. Bence kesinlikle bunun bir diğer versiyonu Türk izleyicilerle, katılımcılarla da denenebilir. Ben bugün Cambly'den Cem'e bağlandım. Londra'dan. Kendisi bir drama öğretmeniydi. Çok tatlıydı gerçekten. Yer aldığı için teşekkür ediyorum ona da buradan. Ve indirim kodunu tekrar hatırlatmak istiyorum. Cambly'de Back to School, yani okula dönüş dönemine özel 12 aylık aboneliklerde %50 indirim var. Şu anda ekranda gördüğünüz kodu kullanarak bu indirimi kazanabilirsiniz. Eğer İngilizcenizi geliştirmekle ilgileniyorsanız bence kesinlikle kaçırmamanız gereken bir fırsat. Ve tabii ki eğer videoyu beğendiyseniz beğen butonuna basmayı ve kanalıma abone olmayı unutmayın. Bir sonraki projede görüşmek dileğiyle. Hoşça kalın.